Squishy. Beautiful. Hello everyone! Today we have made a beautiful loaf of bread. Look at this. This is perfect. This is like the perfect gift to bring to a house party, and the host has something nice to eat the next day, you know, because you don't want to cook 2 days in a row, do you? So this is like a very easy recipe, and you can just be creative and do whatever you want on it. And guys, high reward, low effort. This is my motto. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you do, please follow and like the video. Okay, so we have everything in front. I have everything in front of me, and I'm gonna put the yeast in the water. The water is warm, lukewarm. You don't want it too hot, otherwise the yeast will not activate. And I'm just gonna give it a quick stir. I have 400 ml of water in this jug right here. Don't worry, the recipe will be in the captions. And I have 500 grams of flour, and then I have 7 grams of salt, just normal table salt. And then we're gonna mix. This is the easiest bread recipe. You will never buy bread again. It's the easiest thing to make. Fun fact, in America, most breads are technically considered cake, and I think it has to do with the amount of sugar. That is an actual fact. I am not making it up, I promise. Mix, mix, mix. Now we are going to pour the water over onto the flour. And we're going to mix until we form a dough. Don't worry, it will come together. Now I'm mixing with a fork. Just whatever you have, really. It doesn't matter. Just make sure to incorporate everything and mix thoroughly. Okay guys, so the dough is done, and I'm gonna let it rest for half an hour, and then we're gonna fold. Don't worry, it's still easy. And I'll see you in 30 minutes, or for you right now. And we're back, and it's only been like 25 minutes, but it's so hot here that it has risen. Maybe you'll have to wait 30 minutes to an hour. And now we're gonna fold. I'm just wetting my hands with a tiny bit of cold water, and you just take and fold. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry about it. This is my motto. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it works. Just fold it a few times until you feel like you don't want to fold anymore. Stretch and fold. This will make sure that the loaf keeps its shape. It is a bit sticky, don't worry. It's going to get less sticky. We're gonna now let it rest for another 30 minutes, and we're gonna be back to fold it one more time. See you later. We're back again for more folding. Again, water bowl next to me. You take, you stretch, and you fold. You take, stretch, and fold. It has already doubled in size. And this is just to take the air bubbles out, so we have a stable loaf. Now we let it rest for another half an hour, and I'll see you in a minute. And we are back. Now it's ready. It's time for the fun part. So I'm just gonna flour the surface and flour it well, so you don't want the dough to stick. It is very hydrated. And you just now I'm just going to pop the bubbles just lightly. It's really easy to work with. It's very stretchy as well. Now we're just gonna give it the shape. Yeah, nice. We have the bread on the tray. And now comes the fun part. So I'm just going to wet my hands and lightly touch it, just so our tomatoes and olives, I couldn't find the word, stick better. So now you just go crazy, use all of your imagination. I'm just gonna do like a flower bouquet situation here. Beautiful. Now the oven is preheated, and it's preheated at 180 degrees, and I put a tray of water in there just so the bread crisps up more from the outside, and we'll put this in the oven and we'll be right back. And our loaf is ready. It was in the oven for about 30 minutes on 180 degrees, and I've let it cool for about 30 minutes just so I don't burn myself. It looks amazing, the house smells amazing, and I am very happy that my tomatoes stayed on. You don't have to do it in this shape. You can just be creative and do whatever your heart desires. I'm gonna cut it now, and I'll see you in a minute. Oh, can't wait to cut into it. Oh, the top is crunchy and flaky and beautiful. Oh, look at that. It's so squishy. Beautiful. Let's try it, guys. I'm gonna cut a corner piece and see if it's done well. I love the crisp. It's perfect. The olives have left their taste onto it, onto the crisp, and it is wonderful. Okay guys, that was it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and please, you can support me by subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy baking!